How do you like my blowout? Hello and welcome to Irunbelle. My name is Tope, and in this video I'll be showing you how I achieved a heatless blowout on my 4C natural hair. So I washed my hair and I shared the video of how I did that recently. At the end of that process, this is what I did to my hair. I banded my hair and then I braided it up. I'll put a clip here just to show what I did. And so this is just the process of me taking down the braids now. So I've gotten all the hair bands out, and it's time to take down the braids themselves. Let me start from the back.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk.
So that's it. How do you like my blowout? It's a very easy way for you to stretch your natural hair without heat right after wash day. You just band your hair, braid it up, and you have stretched hair. Yeah, so I'll see you again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, and bye.